What's good, quarantine bunnies? I'm Hershey, and welcome back to Hershey's Guide. All right, bunnies, you know what time it is. It's time for another wig review. Okay, let's get into it. All right, bunnies, let's get into it. I know you have all seen this craze that the girls are wearing these headband wigs. I guess it puts less stress on your edges. And we all know that gluing down and melting down the lace front takes some time. And ain't nobody got time for all that, literally. Now, me personally, I've never worn one, but I've been curious. Just so happens this company called Aliglossy, that's located on Amazon, I'm going to drop the link below, sent me a complimentary wig so that I can review it for you guys so you can see what they're giving. Now, I ordered the Brazilian virgin hair wavy wig in 16 inches. I took it out of the Amazon package, but this is what it comes in, okay? As you can see, it's 100% human hair wig. Okay, this is the back. I love the packaging already, y'all. So let's see what the wig is giving. Okay, let me open this up. All right. I was gonna open it off camera, but I'm like, no, y'all need to see my real reaction. Ooh, hold on, wait. Now, as a girl who likes some free 99, they sent complimentary 3D eyelashes. Y'all know I love a good lash. Okay, Aliglossy. All right. This is what I'm talking about. Let me see what else is in here. Hold on, child. I'm glad. See? Okay, they sent a wig cap. I have one on right now. My edges were slicked down, but as you see, baby, this is Lion King. This is give us free, okay? These edges don't slick down for just anybody. Okay, wig cap. It has two pieces to it. It gives the instructions on. Oh, this is cute. Can y'all see? I'm sorry, I'm all out of the camera. So this is the little card. Okay. It gives instructions on how to care for it. All right. I like it already. It's Aliglossy Beauty, guys, okay? Okay, bunnies, let's get to what we came here for, okay? This is the wig. 16 inches, okay? Very nice length from what I'm seeing. Let's take her out the bag. Let me tell you something. A fresh wig out the bag, fresh crab legs out the bag, fresh money out the bag, getting the bag. All of it sounds good to me. Okay, hold on. All right. Okay. Now, I like to smell my hair too. This does not have an off-putting. It smells good. Good, okay. Because listen, honey, some of them, let me show you what it's giving. This is cute. Okay. It's giving you, you know, wet and wavy. Ooh, it feels good. Y'all, this feels soft. Ooh, Aliglossy. I think y'all done did something. Okay. It feels soft. It's clean. Oh, there's no like, you know how some wigs, I need to move this chair to the side, y'all. This is real life. I'm not, real reactions, real life. You know, some wigs have like this off-putting smell. This smells great. It feels good. There's no shedding. I'm running my fingers through it. Again, this is 16 inches. No shedding. Natural 1B hair, I believe. So let's try it on. Let's try them on. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, also, now, although this is not a lace front, let me just, and it does say it on the website. I'm looking at the website. Hold on one second, guys. As we speak, it does say it on the website. It does have clips. You see the top clips, side clips, okay, and a clip on the back. So it's secure, honey. The money and the wig is secure. Now let me put this on. So bunnies, I had to cut the audio for this because my neighbors were getting it in and I just could not have them as a featured guest on this God-fearing program, child. Somebody was getting smedded act up. Anywho, back to the wig. Oh, hold on. Ooh, it It's giving wet and wavy. Guys, y'all look at this. Look at this. Okay. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm so excited. Aliglossy. Okay. I see y'all. I see y'all for real. So I love it. I love it. I love that the texture is perfect. It is 100% human hair, Brazilian, no off-putting smell. You can wear it fresh out the package, as you've seen me just demonstrate. I have no complaints. So when I need to leave and go, I could just throw this baby on. I feel secure, honey. Okay, there are prongs in here and a whole band. I feel very secure. If I wanted to, now my edges are a little, you know, questionable, honey. They okay, they for the people. They not laying down for nobody. I can bring my edges. I can bring this back and have my little baby hair showing. You know, when I want to slick it down a little bit. Anyway, I would definitely get this. It's on Amazon.com. $69 for the 16-inch, and of course, like when the inches are longer, the price goes up a little bit. I think it's worth it though, guys. It's worth it. It's an investment. You can always wear this when you're on the go, and you don't have the lengthy install time of melting the legs down, doing all that. If you got stuff to do, honey, this is for you. 10 out of 10, guys. Go ahead and get it. Aliglossy. It's on Amazon.com. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Thank you for following me. Okay, if you haven't already, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Hershey's Guide. If you have a question, comment, concern, leave it in the comment section, okay? I do read the comments. Also, if you have any other wigs that you would like me to review, please leave it in the comment section. I'm on the hunt, baby. I'm looking for all the hair. That was real bangy. I'm sorry, y'all. Anyway, it's late. I got to go because I got another review rendezvous to do. So hit me up, follow, like, share, subscribe. And until next time, bunnies, have a great night. Peace.